They had guns. The Zulu had spears. Yet the British Empire lost this battle. In 1879, British forces invaded the Zulu Kingdom in South Africa. They believed victory was guaranteed. But near a mountain called Isandlwana, everything changed. More than 20,000 Zulu warriors surrounded the British camp. They moved fast. They attacked in perfect formation. British soldiers were spread too thin. Ammunition was slow to reach the front lines. As Zulu forces closed in, chaos erupted. Soldiers ran out of bullets. Defensive lines collapsed. Within hours, over 1,300 British troops were dead. It became one of the worst defeats in British colonial history, and a powerful reminder that empires are not invincible. This story was buried by time, but it was real, and there are many more like it, waiting to be uncovered. Subscribe for more forgotten history.